dog. He's a puppy. Is that a puppy bee? Well, he's at least mostly Anatolian Shepherd dog. And then we don't know what else. He's pretty well accepted by our group of Anatolian people.
Really?
Yeah.
What's the difference between an Anatolian Shepherd and, say, like a German Shepherd?
Well, the Anatolian is a livestock guarding breed.
Okay.
And they don't have any ties to German Shepherd except like way back if there's Mastiff and German Shepherd. Anatolian's a Mastiff dog. Generally bigger than Bauer, you know, especially a male.
Beautiful, powerful dog.
Thanks. He is very mellow, and I'm getting him videotaped with me narrating great.
Sorry.
No, it's alright. I don't mind at all. It's just usually I bring back pictures to my Anatolian group on Facebook, and this time I thought I would try for some video. And I think he's really well behaved for, you know, especially what he is mostly. He's very good with other dogs, so this is kind of fun because he obviously knows your dog's a puppy. And even though it's a male, and I know Bauer was thinking I'm going to dominate, now he's like, okay, Mom, it's a baby. And he's letting him follow him. Chase him around, huh, Bowie? You big boy.